These 5 English words confused almost every learner. Let's check if you know them. Day 62 of my English learning journey. Today I practiced 5 common English confusions. First is say versus tell. Say, say something. Tell, tell something. Example: she said hello. She told me the truth. Second is do versus make. Do work or tasks and make create something. Example: do homework and make a cake. 3. Borrow versus lend. Borrow take something. Lend give something. Example: can I borrow your pen? Lend I will lend your book. Yes, I will lend your book, or I will lend you my book. Fourth, speak versus talk. Speak more formal, talk casual conversation. Example: speak English clearly, let's talk later. Look, see, and watch. Look, intentionally look. See, automatically notice. Watch, look carefully. Example: look at the board. I see a bird. Watch this video. Small differences like these make your English much clearer. And one small request: if you watched this video, don't just scroll. Comment one confusion you learned today and like the video if you enjoy this daily English learning videos. Your support motivates me to continue this journey. Comment which confusion was new for you. Thanks for watching.